In this video, we'll show you how to make your own report in XLReporting. Click New and go to Reports. Enter a new name for the report and select the source dataset. This will bring you to Define Fields. Define Fields consists of several panels, starting with an overview that connects to source data. In this instance, balance is connected with chart of accounts and companies. And here you can see all the available data fields, how you would like to use them in your report and what you can filter on. As you can see, there's quite a few fields here. So the easiest thing is to just deselect everything and then select the fields that you actually need. So what you usually need is an account name, a period, actual and budget, of course the company, the account group and account category. These data fields combined would give me a good report to start with. When I click on Apply, this will bring me to the Edit Report Layout fields. Here it's simply a matter of dragging and dropping to create the report that you're after. So here, for example, I would like to sort the account group and account category and put the company in the columns. When you click Apply, this will automatically create a nice report for you. However, I would like to have a P&L report, so that means that I will have to filter further towards a P&L report. So, back to Define Fields to select a few more filters. For my chart of account, it would be best to filter further on report and code. Next, you go to select the data to, select your data. This would pop up a new window where you can see your formula. Click on Select a field to define your value. This will open up a list that will show you all the report codes that you've saved. We don't need all the values, but we don't just want cost of sales, but also other P&L values. The easiest way to find what you're looking for is to go to the formula window and to enter your formula. XLReporting offers 250 formulas. In this case, we will use contains. So in this case, I'm looking for formulas that contain P&L. Here you can see that this instantly creates a report with revenue. Even though this is already a nice report, it is a little bit unclear to see what period this applies to, so it's important to keep on defining. So now we're going to select on period. We've got a neat little filter to do this. Go to function type, select filters, then select a function and go to select period. With every function, you can see which parameters you can select. There's also more information available about this on our website. So with select period, you create a selection field in your report with periods. And if we would like to dig a little bit deeper, you could go back to function type and select the function period sum. With period sum, you can select a certain period. For example, year to date, last year, current year. You can set any parameters that you like. In this case, we'll select year to date. And I'll do the same for my budget. And I'll also add a field for last year, year to date. Select the period that you're after, for example, 2024 August, and click Run. What's currently missing is the data from last year, because this has not been added yet to this layout. So go to Edit this layout and drag and drop last year's sum to the values. Here you can assign certain colors to certain periods, which is really handy. Click Apply and you can see that your report is starting to take shape. Just want to add a few more things, so I'm going back to Edit this layout. For example, in options, you can select totals first to immediately see the totals at the start of your report, and fin subtotals. So now you can see that the report automatically has applied the fin subtotals based on the account group. I'm not entirely happy yet because I would like to see the results here. So again, back to Edit this layout, where I go to the field Labels for Totals and I type in Result and Apply. Now you can see that results have been added to the report. All right, this is a report that I can work with, so I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to use the rules to share this report with my colleagues. I can define which colleagues I would like to send this report to, and of course I can change the name of the report. I will add a handy description so they know what it's about. Did you enjoy this video? Please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment if there's anything that you miss or you would like to know for next video. We're here to help.